How to fix lag and increase FPS on Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag on Roblox on your Android phone or even your iOS. So all what you have to do is simple. Just download this app. It's called Game Booster. You will find it on Play Store. Just search for Game Booster. It has more than 10 million downloads as you can see. And after that, let's get into the app. As you can see, we need just to wait a few seconds and then go right here. This is the dashboard of the app. Click on add game and choose Roblox, and then go back, choose GFX tool and choose the resolution that you want here. I recommend to choose 1280. Click next. For the FPS, I recommend you to choose this 90 FPS right here, and the graphics make it smooth like this. Click next and let's wait a few seconds, and it's completed. Congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.